Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video, what I'm doing is basically I'm taking this Hypebeast quiz, and basically for every question I get right, it's $100. So whatever questions I end up getting right is how much money I'm gonna have to get together, and we're gonna throw together maybe like a little unboxing or something. But basically it's just a way for me to track my questions, and you know, it's like sort of figurative, if you get what I'm saying. I may do this in public eventually, you know, hey, like I may get some of these questions and ask them and stuff, or come up with my own questions with some answers like that. It's sort of this style of things. I sort of want to see it and actually, you know, do something fun like this, like a public challenge, like just like get $100 for answering a question like that. I would love to do something like this in the future, but I'm just doing it on my computer right now, so you guys are sort of gonna see this go down and happen and sort of see what kind of style of video it is. Something very new, haven't tried this at all, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you're new, want more content like this, you know, fun stuff, you guys can go ahead and subscribe below, drop a like, and yeah, all that would go a long way. And you can also follow me in the description to an Instagram or any of that, because you know I post there now. I'm posting there more frequently, so if you're interested in any of that, go ahead, comment on Instagram, go follow, whatever. And yeah, any of that's down there. So I hope you all enjoy this video. I even forgot to introduce myself. I'm Tristan, so yeah, let's get started. All right, so basically here's the quiz on the screen. As you guys can tell, basically it's 20 questions, and those 20 questions I'm gonna try and answer them, all of them right. And yeah, basically the most I can get if I answer all of them right is 2K, and then I'm gonna have to get 2K together, and we're gonna do something like that. So basically I'm just putting myself in a little hole here, but at the same time I'm like, I sort of want to see how many I can get right. So let's get started on this. So first question says, which brand Prince, you saw my country accent come in there, come on, I know y'all are not lying, I know y'all, come on, yeah, you saw it, I know y'all saw it. All right, maybe I can throw it in a couple times so y'all can see that. But which brand screen prints on t-shirts on Gildan? Other than that was a bit hard for me to read. I do know that Antisocial Social Club is well known for screen printing on Gildan, so I'm gonna choose them. Hopefully, yeah, it didn't tell you right off the bat, so we're gonna put it at the end, but I'm pretty sure Antisocial Social Club, I mean, I'm very sure actually on that one. But which brand hasn't done a collaboration with Supreme? Nike, the North Face, or Off-White? I mean, I know Bape, like, sorta did one. I mean, I think it's unreleased or unofficial, friends and family or something. So, like, I know they have something there. TNF very well known, and Nike's been this season. TNF and Nike, I think, have both been this season. So Off-White, because just I haven't seen anything recently or anything to do with them at all. Then the next question says, who is the lead designer of Off-White? For this one, very easy one, Virgil. I mean, that one isn't hard to point out. I mean, we all know Virgil. Mans is everywhere, you know, doing stuff with the Hypebeast community. He's very involved, I'd say. He does a lot of work with other creators. You know, he's recently sitting down with Cause. I don't know if y'all saw that, but yeah, he does a lot of stuff. He put that up on his Instagram. Now, this next question is gonna give me trouble, because I'm actually not that educated, and I should probably educate myself more on these streetwear brands. But where was Stone Island created? Now, this is one that I have no clue about, but I don't think it's gonna be hard for me to choose it all, because I'm pretty sure, if I'm right, Stone Island was either created in Italy or France. So I'm down to two options. So, but I'm just gonna choose Italy. I don't know why. I'm just gonna go with Italy, because they got some really big mountains there. I think they got the Alps or something, and I don't know, just Stone Island. It makes me think of it, even if it's a terrible example. Next up, who designed the Revenge X Storm shoes? We all know about this one. Ian Connor, very well known for designing these. He always be talking about them. And yeah, you know, I know about him fairly well. You know, talked about him. Then which one has done? What brand has Fear of God done a collaboration with? This one's actually troubling me. I don't know, other than, oh, well, now I actually read it. So all the options say Gucci, Fendi, Bape, Vans, Supreme, Adidas, Louis Vuitton. Supreme, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Fendi, those brands obviously wouldn't. Fendi, no. Bape, no. But the one that I do know is, I do know there a Fear of God pair of Fear of God Vans does exist. My friend actually used to own a pair, so that's a very easy one for me. I can actually take a real life example. So Vans, Fear of God, they've done a collaboration. But now to question 7, which brand has released the t-shirt with the Friends font on the front? Y'all probably seen it here, like, there you go, you've probably seen this around. This one's also very easy. This one is V-Lone. This one isn't hard to guess at all. I mean that's fine. I'm pretty sure it's V-Lone. Am I right? Yeah, it's V-Lone. So I'm not going crazy. I'm good. We can move on. All right, but next up says, who created the brand V-Lone? This one's not hard either. This one's A$AP Bar. If y'all know, I'm not the biggest fan of A$AP Bar for some of his past stuff, but hey, everybody has a past. You know, everyone gets over it. He seems like he's doing fine now. Just some of the stuff there, but I'm pretty sure, you know, A$AP Bar right there, he's the creator of V-Lone. That one's not hard to answer. And this one's a gimme. Like, if you don't know this, I'm gonna link the quiz down below. If you don't know this one, just, I'ma hop on you, but I mean, it's not a big deal. I'm not really gonna get on you like that. I don't really care too much. But it says, when was Supreme founded? This one we all know is 1994. This year was the 25th anniversary. You should know that too. But 1994 is when Supreme was founded. Very easy one right there. And question number 10, this one involves a particular brand. So $100 you can get for this coin. So far we got 900, I think. I don't know, we have to check, because I think it's 900 because I'm confident I've gotten all of them right so far, but I'm not exactly sure. It's out of 2,000 though, so hopefully we have a little counter or something going. That's just what I think, that's my thoughts. My phone keeps going off. But Baby Mellow is featured on which brand? That one's Babe, very easy, that one is not hard to guess. So Babe, number 10, so far I think we have 1K, I think. I gotta check. When did the Jordan 4 Bread most recently release? All right, this one's hard for me, because that educated on my Jordan shoes. Even though I do not like resale shoes and stuff like that, that's not been hard to me. Like, that sort of stuff's easy to me. But if I'm right, the most recent Jordan 4 Bread released in 2016. I think it might be 2012 though. Honestly, I said I don't know, so I'm not gonna act like I know, but I'm just gonna put 2016. I don't know. I have no clue on that one. Maybe we're running it up, maybe we're not. But on to the next question. What store carries Fear of God apparel? This one's very easy, Dover Street Market. I mean, I don't think Zara carries it or Undefeated, but I'm pretty sure Dover Street Market carries Fear of God stuff. Like, that's pretty easy to know, I'd say. But the next question, this one's a good question. I actually like this one because I recently purchased a piece from them. It says, which designer brand features a heart with 2 eyes? This one's pretty easy. We know about this one. Brand stands for the boys. It's Comme des Garçons, or Comme des Garçons. I don't know why I pronounced it wrong the first time. They were pronouncing it twice unnecessarily, but yeah, Comme des Garçons, CDG, y'all know about them. They've done collaborations with Supreme too. Yeah, that brand, basically, they feature that design. And who created Babe? This one is not hard either. We all know about him. I mean, he actually stepped away from his own brand, if I'm correct. Like, he's actually now doing his own thing with another brand that he created himself, if I'm right. I don't think I am, but I might be. We all know about him, Nigo. He created Babe, very well known for that, so he's gonna go right there. And now they're owned by some corporation thing, so it's just sort of like Babe's just gone corporate. Supreme's about to fall there too, so you know, it's just sort of just like eh. But yeah, he created Babe. And the next question, this one's actually gonna be interesting to answer, because this one could also be a little bit opinion based. I think it could sort of change. Is a definition that can change, but it says, what is a hypebeast? I'm just gonna go off the definitions here. So someone who collects a lot of clothes, someone who buys clothes for popularity, hype, someone with a love for streetwear, and then a very aggressive streetwear connoisseur. Those are all very different definitions, but obviously it's just a person who collects and buys clothes for popularity and hype. I mean, I just put it in a lot of my titles, but I actually like collecting clothes. Like, it's sort of fun, you know, getting some of the stuff, you know, you've been working for, some of the stuff you're looking at. Even if it isn't hyped, it's just nice to have it. So, like, I mean, that's just me. That's just me. I mean, you know, I still sort of am, though. Like, some of the fits I put together, like, yeah, clearly. You get what I'm saying. Which brand has Kanye been seen wearing before? Billionaire Boys Club, Diamond, Stussy, Stamped, Avilone, Billionaire Boys Clubs, and Venomance, if I'm right. This one I don't know either, because I've seen Kanye wearing a lot of brands. I mean, this one's got to be a bit more descriptive in my opinion. I mean, if I knew Kanye though, I mean, I'd say he probably wore Avilone. I mean, I don't know, but I mean, I think he wore Venomance. I mean, I know Venomance is like, they're well known. They've had a lot of stuff with fashion, so I'm just gonna put between Venomance and Avilone. I'm just gonna put Venomance for now. I don't, again, this could be very, very wrong. Probably is. Some of you may know everything about Kanye. It's just very easy for you. But for me, I have no clue. You don't even have to know everything about Kanye. You just have to be keeping up with him. With me, I guess I haven't. Except though, who's the lead designer of Fear of God? This one's not hard. He's been commenting on the pages. We know about him. He's got the followers. People know Fear of God for him too, and Fear of God from him. But basically, Jerry Lorenzo, we know about him being the lead designer. I'm pretty sure he is. I mean, very easy to guess, I'm saying. But next up, this one is also a good question. This is a little bit outdated if you can't tell, but how many shoes did Nike and Off-White release? They had the 10 collection, so if you imagine the 10 collection, there'd be 10 shoes. There you go. Boom, there's your answer for 18. So far, I think we may be getting all of them right. We may be, I don't know. Again, I hope. But next question, question 19, one of the last questions we got so far coming up here. What shoe did Air Jordan and Supreme release? Now this one is not hard. I mean, excluding this season, now we have the 14, but for this one is not hard. They haven't released a 1, they haven't released a 12, they haven't released 11, but this one is a Jordan 5, if I'm pretty sure. So Jordan 5 is the one they released, because I remember the sick ones they had. Yeah, they've done Jordan 5 collaboration right there. And then final question we got right there. What is the most popular Nike Off-White sneaker? Again, this could be your opinion, but if you really want it to be easy, really know in general, it's just the Jordan 1. So Air Jordan 1, very easy question to answer right there. And then we've answered all of them. Just making sure I'm going back. All my answers right there. Y'all can see them. Yeah, we got them all submitted. And hopefully we get something good, but we're going to see how much we got, because it's out of $2,000. So we got to see how big the unboxing we may be doing is going to get. All right, so my answers, I got 90%. So I'm assuming that I got 2 questions wrong. Yeah, I got 2 questions wrong. So we got 90%. And I'm assuming the 2 questions that I got wrong probably had to be the ones that do with Stone Island and then the Kanye and Venomance one. But I think those are the only 2 questions I was really confused on. But yeah, you know, it says you truly are a streetwear connoisseur. Your knowledge is almost off the charts. And you know, we're gonna rate the quiz. We gonna give it a good, I'm just kidding, we gonna get 5 stars. I'm not like that, but yeah, there we go. So that's my quiz right there. 1,800 out of 12, or not 1,200, but out of 2,000. So we're gonna try and do an unboxing that big coming very soon. I just thought I'd do this really to see how educated I was and really show you all. I'm gonna close this out, but you sort of get what I'm saying. I really just want to show you all my educational street race since I know I do have some. I know some out down it, but it's okay. I really didn't do this video just for the purpose of that. I also did it because this would be fun and also, you know, good title, things like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you're new, drop a like, go follow me on Instagram and all that in the description. And yeah, if you want to take this quiz too, let me know what you get and go down below. And yeah, maybe you watch this video and take it, so I'll help you out a bit, but I'm not gonna take credit for that. So that's it for this video. I'm Tristan, thanks for watching. And yeah, let me know if any of you can get a score higher than 18 out of 20 on first try. This is the first time I took it, so let me know if any of y'all can do that. And yeah, then let me know how much you get, because it's $100 for every question. That's sort of the challenge we're doing here. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm Tristan, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.